Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video, without wasting any time, I'm going to show you how to generate a flyer like this. All right, like this one, a very good looking flyer for your business and for whatever. All right, so what you're going to do is you just need to go to your ChatGPT and open your ChatGPT. When you open your ChatGPT like this, you are just going to generate prompt, a very good prompt in order to generate your flyer. All right, so what you are going to do is I need you to help me. You type this. I need you to help me with well-written prompt to generate a flyer. How do I write a flyer? The spellings. A flyer for a flyer using my portal for my AI class called what? Prompt engineering course class. I need you to mention at least 5 topics under what? Under prompt engineering. Okay, under prompt engineering. All right, prompt engineering. All right, make it classic. All right, so as you can see, this is not even the prompt. This is, I'm just giving ChatGPT direction. I'm giving ChatGPT direction to generate a prompt for me that I'm going to use the prompt in generating my flyer. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to send this to ChatGPT and I'm going to wait before ChatGPT generate the best prompt for me. All right, so as you can see here, prompt: design a classic, elegant promotional flyer for an AI course titled Prompt Engineering Class. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to copy this. So you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm just giving you a hint on how exactly you are going to do it. All right, use your own English and explain every detailed thing wanted to be on that flyer. All right, you need to give it to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will generate this for you. As you can see, this is the complete prompt. All right, that I'm going to use. This is the prompt that ChatGPT generates for me, and I'm going to go and use any AI. All right, but for this I'm going to use Gemini because when you are talking about image generation, Gemini is the king for me. All right, so I'm going to open Gemini. As you can see, this is Gemini. I just opened it like this. When I've opened Gemini, I'm going to go and get my, so I'm going to go with this portal and I'm going to paste the portal like this. As you can see, my portal is ready. Then I'm going to paste the information here that I copy. All right, so I'm going to paste the information. As you can see, this is the prompt, all right, for the design of the flyer. All right, so I'm going to send this to Gemini and wait for the results. All right, so as you can see, Nano Banana is working, so you're gonna have to wait a bit before you get your result. So as you can see, I got my flyer here. This is the type of flyer: master class, prompt engineering class. As you can see, this is the prompt engineering class, and you can save this. You can just go directly and save this. As you can see, we have fundamentals of prompt engineering, prompt structuring, optimization, prompting. So if you need more detail, you want to give more detail to this AI, the name of your academy, your phone number, whatever, you can just give ChatGPT at the beginning while you are trying to generate your prompt. All right, that is how exactly you are going to do it. So all right, I think this is going to be the easiest way to generate any flyer using AI. All right, because if you are asked to generate something like this yourself from very beginning to this, it is going to take you a lot of time and it is going to waste a lot of your time. But if you can generate a very good prompt, you can give AI the type of result that you want, give every detailed information to the AI and generate a very good prompt, and you can use that particular prompt to go and create or generate your flyer or poster using AI. I think this is very simple, easy, and clear. In few minutes, you can generate your poster or your flyer. All right. So thank you for watching this video. If you really do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I am going to keep updating you with good informations like this. Thank you and peace.